So today we're at Marengo Ridge in Marengo, Illinois. This is their little picnic grove that they've got. Very nice secluded area. Makes you feel like you're all alone. There could be 2 or 3 other families in there. It's just a nice little area for a picnic before or after your walk. Got little outbuildings with male and female washrooms. There's like 2 or 3 of them on the property, but they are kept very clean. So they've got a nice little map out here. All the McHenry County Conservation Areas have these boards right in the parking lot or right where you come in, and it shows you all the different paths you can take, 1.25 miles, 0.3 miles, but we're right here, and we're gonna go up along here and come out back down. So we're going in this side, and we're gonna come in on the exact other side from walking around. I believe it's about a 1.5 mile loop, but it gives you all the information over here, what to expect or what you can expect. And then this shows you all the different McHenry County conservation areas that you can go to. Open sites, protected sites, canoe trails, but there's more than a dozen in McHenry County that we'll be visiting. There's no running water here, but there are 2 or 3 of these that you can get fresh water, spring water for yourself, or they've got a dog dish at this one for any furry friends you might bring. Takes a little bit to get her going, but once it's going, it goes pretty good.
Walk high with Fetti through the woods at Marengo Ridge.
Gotta watch out for these roots.
Couple members of Fetti Nation back there.
now you can see we're up here. We started down here, so we made it up this far, and they've still got more information, but back here, there's more camping area, and we're going to be walking through another trail that has even more
Nicer sites.
kind of like secluded camping.
So at almost every intersection, they've got little posted signs that show you, you can hike, cross-country ski, which way you can go. It's one of the easiest courses, I guess. But no equestrian, no bikes, no snowmobiles, so you don't have to be on the lookout for anything coming up quick. But there are different variations. The further out you go to the north, the harder they get, I believe. But we're going to stick to the easiest ones today.
Okay, so this trail is more of kind of the same. Very cool, very secluded.
But instead we're gonna take a left here. This isn't an actual trail, but it's kind of like a game trail close enough to the real trail that people walk through it all the time, and show you a few of the campsites and how nice the path coming into the property is.
So where we walked through is just 4 campsites all together. So if you're camping with a group, it's nice. You're not on top of each other, but you're close enough that you can have a fire together. Or there's other places that are more secluded, single spaces. They've got a few more doubles, but it's pretty much set up very similar. A few parking places for those 4 sites, and then you've got 2 more for the single that's next door. Okay, so this is the main road that you're going to come in on.
And that gate opens only if somebody is reserved the camping spot. Otherwise, the only way to get back there is through one of the trails walking. That's why today we saw nobody back there camping. Nobody was scheduled, I guess. But if woods and stuff aren't your jam, if you prefer like plains and just open area, you got a dog that loves to run, they've also got these trails over here that are very nice. There's only about 2 trails, I believe, but it's more than a mile. But we prefer the woods. So that's why we're going back into the woods.